Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare simple jaggery balls. The ingredients are here for a quick view. And now let's begin cooking. I have taken 200 grams of jaggery cubes and adding about 50 ml of water. Keep stirring it until the jaggery melts. The entire process of this recipe requires continuous stirring till the end. At this stage, when the jaggery melts and starts to bubble, I am adding about 100 grams of grated coconut. Continue to stir. At one point, the color of the mixture becomes more darker. Now add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and continue to stir. This sticky consistency is an indication for us to turn off the stove. Now transfer it to a ghee greased plate or else a oil greased plate. And now start making smaller balls. Since this mixture is too hot, I am separating it into smaller portions so that it will be easy for me to make them into balls. Apply some ghee in your hand and make them into round shape. Maintain some distance between each balls so that it doesn't stick with each other. You can also start making balls once the mixture becomes warm, but do not allow it to cool completely. The shelf life of this recipe is about 30 to 35 days in an airtight container under a normal room temperature. Now allow it to cool for about 30 minutes and then transfer it to an airtight container. Hope you all like this video. Until we meet in the next video, signing off from you all. Ta-ta, bye-bye.